Diin natabo ang pamalayi.
Sa ila.
Diin ang sa ila na.
Sa ila balay.
Sa ila balay. O, klaro ha, sa ila balay. Nga kung mamalayi ka, gaano ka?
Na plano am sa kasal.
Plano na dayon kasal?
Napangayo ang pana, ang kamot sang ila bata.
Ginpangayo mong kamot, ya?
Everything for the effort, for making me feel I'm the luckiest woman alive today. Thank you for surprising me. Thank you for loving me for who I am, for accepting me, for being my rock, my shock absorber, my human punching bag, for everything.
Many years back, I never knew what love was. Until you came into my life and made it a blooming world to live in. You make me feel so special with the things you do and all that you say. Then when a distance pulled us apart, I found out what true love is. You are my person, my inspiration, my love, and my everything. My love for you shall grow, and I will live to love you increasingly.
Being grateful again for all the effort, for all the things that you have shared with me, for you have given me, for your love mostly.
Kung matapos na makuha ang blessing, kung natapos na ang pamalayi, lakata sa hotel. Lagaw ta, kaon ta. Let us celebrate the blessing that we have received. Di ba? Amo na nga ang reception, lakata. Pero ang blessing, you are always asking that from the house of the Father. That's why we're here.
The way you brush your hair from your face.
I will make sure I do the needful to be your better half. From today onward, you and I will be one in heart, body, and mind.
In this world, things will change, but you remain our center stage, sacred place. I see you're a galaxy of stars, beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea, every note is symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see.
Sorry for the past 9 years, they're not my top priority. But you made me feel so. And this time, you will be the first of everything.
The way your body moves when you dance, it's like an ocean wave. It's got me in a magnetic trance that I can't escape.
But this time I swear, in front of God, for everyone else, you will be my comfort in this new endeavor or new journey that will be facing together.
I see you. You're a galaxy of stars beating on my heart. You're a lighthouse on the sea, every note a symphony. You're the rising of the sky, bringing colors back to life. I see you. You'll never go unnoticed, 'cause you got my eyes in focus. If there's anything you know, I hope you know this. I see
My constant prayer and wish are to love you beyond measure and to live always to complement the love you show to me. I will make sure I do the needful to be your better half. From today onward, you and I will be one in heart, body, and mind.
to life. I see you.